Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to social psychology. So we were discussing very interesting chapter, liking, love, and the close relationship. Now I discuss something very the other factors. What are the external sources of attraction? Before we talk some sort of psychological factors that we have in our mind, now what are the external factors which compare us to like someone? Factors that help begin the friendship. Now one of the factors that help to begin the friendship is the proximity. Proximity, nearness. Whenever someone is sitting beside us, maybe we started to have more liking to that person rather than the person who is sitting on the last bench. So this is one of the proximity effect. So let's see further. Geographical nearness, proximity, more precisely functional distance, powerfully predict the liking. Student reported greater friendship with their seat mates than the other classmates in the class. So you could have seen that most people marry someone who lives in their same neighborhood, who works at their same company, or they are doing job together. They sit in the same class, they visit the same favorite places. So because of that proximity, people started to like someone. So let's discuss ahead. Proximity. Interaction. Even more significant than geographical distance is the functional distance. How often people's path cross. How often we interact with each other. How often we see each other. That is also creating a sort of liking factor in our mind and heart. So, proximity breeds liking. Fewer opportunities to get to know someone who attends a different school or lives in another town. Where we are used to visit more often, we started to create the connection with that place, that person. So we started to like that person more. So, our infatuation fixes with someone through repeated exposure to and interaction. Once we something repeatedly, so we started to like that thing. Let's suppose sometimes in television we repeatedly see repeated exposure to someone, actresses, maybe the actor who is coming again in all the dramas, in all the advertisement. Even we are liking and following them on the Twitter and the social media, Instagram. Once they are being exposed more to us, so there are more chances that we are going to like them more. Even once we are going to have the more interaction with someone, so we are going to start liking them more. So because of infatuation fixes with someone. Proximity. Mere exposure effect. So now I would talk something about what is the mere exposure. The tendency for novel stimuli to be liked more or rated more positively, often the raters have been repeatedly exposed to them. So the pictures which were shown to the people again and again, so they were having a more tendency to rate them positively rather than to the pictures who were shown less. This is also the case, that is, once there is a song which you are listening first time, so you do not like that song. Once you listen to that song again and again, so if that song is going to expose to you more frequently, so there are more chances that you are going to like that song more. So this is the effect of mere exposure effect. Increased exposure to another person increases liking for that person. So research finding indicate the more often we expose to or interact with another person, the more we like that person. The reason seems to be that we feel more comfortable with his or her and feel that she is more responsive to us. So we started to create the comfortable zone with that person. Frequency of exposure to that person create a comfortable zone, and we started to have increased the liking factor. So that was one of the research which was conducted by, and they shown some characters to the people and said them to rate them with respect to their goodness of the meaning. And there were also some Chinese letter which were not exposed to them before. So people rated more good to the letters which were, highly frequency exposure and low frequency exposure. So you could see that in yellow line a lot of things are at higher because these things are being exposed more. And these things are exposed less, are in the blue shade. This is also with respect to men faces in the Turkish word. So one thing which is exposed more to us, so we have more like the favorable attitude is going to develop for that thing. Proximity, mere exposure. When they show people, when they showed people a woman face, their cheeks smiling muscles typically become more active. With repeated viewing, exposure breeds pleasant feelings. So for example, babies feel more comfortable to see repeated faces. This is the classic example. Whenever we are, near to the baby again and again, the baby started to create the attachment to us, and baby started to feel more comfortable to us. When baby started to see someone is strange, baby started to cry. So what is this? Because of the proximity effect, this happens. Now I will talk something about the social media, which is nowadays become mantra for everyone. People are using a lot. So effects of social media on proximity and repeated exposure. So repeatedly we have been using social media sites. Sometimes we are using Facebook, Instagram, and more often. So what are their effects? So research says they are creating two effects, positive and negative effects. So let's discuss about the negative effect. In some research, frequent use of Facebook has been found to result in mild depression for many users. Depression, why it is so? Why we are going to feel the depression when we are more often using Facebook? So let's see other. Found that the more time people spend on Facebook, the lower was their subjective well-being. How happy they feel about their life, because they are going to indulge in social comparison. Once we see a lot of people are updating their status. I got selected in LUMS. I shifted to my new home. I bought a new car. So people started to compare themselves with them. People started to compare themselves with those people, and that is going to create the negative subjective well-being in the human life of the people. So that's why it is going to create a mild depression. So this is going to create a opposite effect. Offline meeting is opposite to that. Meeting more people increase your subjective well-being. In offline settings, once we meet more people, it is going to create a positive effect on us. What is the positive effect of the repeated exposure? So let's see. Using Facebook status updates, which encourage emotional disclosure to other people in users' social network, can lead to greater sense of satisfaction. Once we update our status, once we share our thoughts, once we share our pictures, and once we get a lot of likes and comments, so this also create a positive effect on us. So we feel the sense of satisfaction. We feel that people are supporting us. We feel that we have support system. So one of the finding by the author indicate that the larger the social network, the higher were users' life satisfaction and perceived level of social interaction. So one of the other factor that can begin the friendship, physical attractiveness. Is physical attractiveness important? Can we like someone by the physical attractiveness? So research says yes. Physical attractiveness is one of the important factor by liking someone. So let's see. The belief that looks are unimportant may be another instance, but now appearance does matter. Physical attractiveness. So men more than women ranked attractiveness is important in the mate, while women more than men assign importance to honesty, humor, and kindness. So men gave more importance to the physical attractiveness than the women. So let's see the study. So they conducted the survey from the women and men, in which they found that, do you like more to the bodies or the brains? So the most women responded brain and the men responded physical appearances. Physical attractiveness, matching phenomena. The tendency for the men and women to choose as partner those who are good match in attractiveness and the other traits. People more often choose the partner who looks like, who are similar to themselves. If the person is more attractive, so they are searching for attractive partner. If the person is less attractive, so they choose for the less attractive partner. So this has the importance. Even in advertisement, you could see the men advertise positions, job status, wealth, and the woman advertise their look and the youth. Even you could have seen in a lot of cosmetic industry, fair complexion has increased because physical appearance is very much important. Even being we are being biased. We love infant kids which are more beautiful. The kids who are beautiful, cute, in fair color, in the fair complexion, so we like them more. We wanted to kiss them. We wanted to play with them. Why? It is because of the physical appearance. Physical attractiveness, some stereotypes. There are some stereotypes of the physical attractiveness. The first impression. People are being stereotyped because of the first impression. First impressions are important and have become more. So as society become